In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add your Amazon link to a YouTube video description, step by step. First, click the Create button, then choose Upload Video from the drop-down to start posting your new video. After that, click Select Files to pick the video you want to upload. Next, select your video file and click Open to begin uploading it to your channel. Once the upload starts, type a description for your video in the description field to let viewers know what your content is about. After that, open a new tab and go to Amazon. Once you're on Amazon, select a product. After selecting the product, copy the browser link. Right-click in your browser to open the menu and select Copy so your Amazon link is ready to paste. Now, go back to YouTube and select the product or link you'd like to share. Now, place your cursor back in the video description field, open the context menu, and select Paste to insert your copied Amazon link. Finally, our Amazon link has been successfully added to the YouTube video description. That's it. You've successfully added an Amazon link to your YouTube video description.